Hello, all my Storytime friends. Welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual spring storytime. We're on week 3. Are you ready? Okay, get those hands ready. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome, welcome all my Storytime friends. Like I said, this is our week 3 of our spring virtual Storytime. And today I have books and a craft to share with you all about birds. Because the birds are back and we can hear them this spring, right? Okay, so let me share with you my first book. And it is called Max and Bird, and it's by Ed Veer. This is Max. Max is a kitten. Kittens chase birds. This is Bird. Bird is a bird. Birds get chased by kittens. Hello, Bird, said Max. Let's be friends. Yes, please, said Bird. First, I'll chase you, said Max. Then maybe I'll eat you up. You look like a tasty snack. I don't like being chased, said Bird, and I'm far too young to be a tasty snack. I haven't even learned to fly yet. Oh, said Max, but it's a rule of nature. Birds get chased by kittens. But friends don't eat each other up, said Bird. Max and Bird sat and thought a while. Hold on, said Bird, I have an idea. Bird explained the principles of friendship to Max. Friends have fun together and help each other out. If you teach me how to fly, said Bird, then we'll talk about the chasing and all that other stuff, okay? That, said Max, is a very fair plan. They shook on the deal. Max explained the principles of flight to Bird. Well, Bird, first of all, what you do is, well, coughed Max. I don't think I know how to fly either. Follow me, said Bird. We'll go to the library. Libraries know everything. In the library, there was a section on flying. Max and Bird couldn't reach the books on the top shelf, so they borrowed some from the bottom. Max and Bird studied for weeks. They read important books until their tiny brains were full. To cut a long story short, you just need to concentrate hard, stick out your wings, flap, piece of cake. Max and Bird concentrated hard. They stuck out their wings and they flapped. Nothing happened. They flapped in the morning, flap, 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 flap. They flapped in the afternoon, flap, 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 flap. Not a sausage. They flapped in the evening, flap, 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 flap. Can you flap your wings? Go ahead, try. Flap, 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 flap. Zilch. Max and Bird were tired out. All night long they slept. All night long they dreamed of flying. The next day, with heads full of dreams, Max and Bird tried again. They flapped and flapped until they ached. Nothing happened. Bird flipped. Bird stamped. Bird yelled. No fun! I'm bored, bored, bored! Flapping isn't working out. Calm down, said Max. We'll ask someone who can fly. They'll tell us what to do. Max and Bird asked Pigeon, very politely, excuse us, could you please tell us how to fly? Please? Ha ha! Pigeon cackled rudely. Don't you even know how to fly? It's so easy. Just stick out your wings and flap. Look. Pigeon flapped. Pigeon flew upside down. Pigeon zigged. Pigeon zagged. Pigeon looped the loop. Pigeon was showing off. With iron resolve, Max and Bird tried once more. They flapped and flapped and flapped. At 5:23 p.m. precisely, something incredible happened. It was wobbly, but Bird took off for 1, 2, 3 whole seconds. Hooray, we did it! Thank you for teaching me to fly, said Bird. That's what friends are for, said Max. Well, a deal's a deal, said Bird. I suppose you want to eat me up now. Oh, said Max, a tasty snack. I'd forgotten about that. Let me think. Max thought for quite a while. I don't want to eat you up, said Max. It's not what friends do. But I can watch you fly instead, please, Bird. Yes, said Bird. And he did his first loop-the-loop. The end. I'm so glad Max decided not to chase birds and to stay friends with him. Aren't you? Okay, so today's craft is we're going to make a parrot. So in your craft kit, you should have these different colored construction paper pieces. You should have a white thing for your body of your bird. You should have an eyeball, and you should have the rest of the bird, his beak and his foot. So what you're going to do, you are going to take a crayon or a marker, and you're going to color your bird, your parrot, whatever color you'd want to color it. And then you'll notice, I don't know if you can see, you'll notice that there are little slots. Can you see it? Little slots. And what you're going to do is you have two different size construction pieces. So you have a large one and a small one. What you're going to do is you're going to take the large one, because that's going to be your tail feather. And you are going to, make sure you're going to thread it through and fold it. You have like a tail, okay? And then you're going to take the little ones and you're going to do the same thing. Okay? And I did this one. Of your tail and your thing. Then you're going to take your pieces of your bird, color it, and glue it. And you're going to color it and glue it or tape it to the bottom. And then you're going to take your eye and stick it. And then when you're all done, you should have something like this. The parrot. Okay, let's get ready to share my second book with you. Our second book is called Early Bird, and it's by Tony Yulee. Do you know that saying? The early bird catches the... Let's find out. Early bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can, takes a deep breath of fresh morning air, and then early bird gets going. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden where she finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. Phew, I thought that bird was going to eat the worm. The end. Okay, my friends, that's all the books I have to share with you this week. Next week, we're going to read books and do a craft about gardens because it's about that time to get your garden in, right? So I have this book that you could check out called The Carrot Seed. I have this one that's called Badger's Perfect Garden. And then this one is A Seed is the Start. Okay, thanks for staying and listening to my stories, and I will see you guys next week. Ready to do our ending poem? Okay, ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. I will see you next week.